Hey guys, your friend Yasir from Remax Impact. Welcome to my new listing 23 Thorp Crescent in AJAX. Major intersection Church and Delaney. AJAX Costco is 10 minutes. AJAX Go Station less than 10 minutes. Amazon New Distribution Center walking distance to schools and parks. This is a family room you can use as a 4-bedroom. Thanks for watching the virtual tour. I hope you like it. If you need more details or if you want to see this beautiful freehold townhouse, call your friend Yasir at 647-896-6227. Thanks for watching and take care.